without you, I'll never know. I hope that one day we'll be in love when you're not far away.
Hello guys, what is up? College life has just been crazy and I can't make out the time to film a video for you guys, but now I do have time. So I thought I'd bring you guys along on my self-care routine. It's gonna be a lot of stuff. I've already started with my shower and I put on a little bit of mascara just so I can just look presentable and look put together. I'm gonna try to start filming and editing and putting up videos every Monday for you guys. I've just been so busy with college. If you guys are new, please subscribe to my channel and like this video. And make sure you are following me on Instagram and TikTok just so you get a little bit more about my life, because I think YouTube is very limited and I would love to build a community with you guys on those two other platforms. My socials are always linked down below in my description. But yeah, let's get to my self-care day today. I'm gonna be using this berry mud mask and I'm gonna use this like little scoopy tool and spread it across my face. Hopefully it doesn't get in my hair because I just showered. Now this is what it looks like. It looks kind of crazy, but it kind of burns. I don't know if that's a bad thing, but I'll see you guys in, what does it say? 10 to 15 minutes. See you guys after.
Many hours later.
Hey guys, so like 2 to 3 hours have passed because I needed to do some homework for college. Gonna be doing the next steps to my self-care routine. So I'm first gonna take this roller. I don't know who it's by, but I think I got it in like a FabFitFun box. Take off my glasses. It looks so dead. But yeah, this is like a cooling metal roller just for your face. Just, I don't know what it actually does, but it just feels really nice on the face. Okay, so this feels really nice. I wish I could tell you guys what it does, but I have no idea. It just feels really, really nice. So highly recommend that. The next step for my self-care routine is this lip scrub. I actually make these. I'll show you guys what it looks like. It says handmade by Amanda May, and yeah, I make lip scrubs if you guys didn't know, and they're listed on my Etsy. I will link my Etsy down below and it's always in the description of my videos. So if you guys ever want to purchase it and support my Etsy business, you can do that. I also sell stickers on Etsy and I think I'm gonna sell presets on there soon. So you just open it up and there you can see, if it would focus, there you go. It's made with like good ingredients. There's only like 5 ingredients I use. It's also edible because it's like mostly sugar, so you get a good amount on my finger like that, and then I just put it all around my lips. It just leaves your lips so soothing, just so nourished. I want to show you what my next step is in here, but I'm gonna do it out there. It's just so much better lighting in here. So my last and final step for my self-care day routine is painting my nails, because you can see they're pretty bad. They have nothing, they're plain. They're naked. So thank you for Castini, I hope I'm saying that right, for giving me these nail polishes. They are so cute. I will link them down below with everything else that I am using in today's video in the description box if you guys want to purchase it. But this brand was kind enough to send it over, so I'm gonna do my nails for you guys and just coat these naked fingers. I don't know what color I want to do. Ooh, I actually like this color a lot. I think I'm gonna go for the nude because it's so pretty. It comes with a base coat and then a glossy and a matte top coat. So I think I'm gonna do the glossy top coat. We're gonna get these bad boys painted. I'm so excited. While I'm doing my nails, I'm probably gonna just like watch YouTube. I think Manny MUA just posted a new video, so sorry if I was really dark right there. Honestly, I've been in love with like makeup videos. Can't get enough of Laura Lee's and Manny MUA's and James Charles videos. They're so inspiring. Like, I really want to get into more makeup like they are. So if you guys want me to do like a makeup video, like a makeup routine or what's in my makeup everyday bag, let me know, because because I would love to do that. I want to get into more makeup. Can you see them? I should have taken 2 coats, but I was just too impatient and I had to go to dinner soon, so I just did 1, but when I do them again, I'm gonna obviously do 2 coats. It's like pretty realistic for every nail polish to do 2 coats. You look at them, they're really pretty. I love like the nude beige color. So cute. I love how glossy they are. Don't mind this, I was picking at my finger. But yeah, I love doing my nails, and thank you again for Castini. I'm so sorry if I'm butchering it, but thank you again for sending me these nail products over. And I think that concludes my self-care routine for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a big thumbs up for me if you enjoyed it, and subscribe down below. And remember to click the notification bell so you guys get notified when I upload next. I love you guys all so much. Have a good day. Remember, God is good. And I'll see you guys next Monday with a new video. Bye guys.